Hello class and welcome to week 10 of ACLT 053 Online. For this week in ACLT 053 Online, you'll be working on the CRJS week 3 discussion board post. That is short for the criminal justice module. For this week, you will be writing about your reflections on the readings that you've been working on for English 101. Particularly the readings by Pelez, Ernst, and the video by Goffman. So some of the questions I'd like you to tackle as you write your discussion board posts would be, how do you connect with the ideas presented in the 3 articles and video regarding the criminal justice system? How did the information from the 3 articles extend your thinking? What did you learn, and how did your thinking change? What challenges and questions do you have after reading these articles? Please base your responses or formulate your responses into about 2 to 3 organized paragraphs. Include at least 2 paraphrased examples from the sources with MLA citations, and please include an MLA-style works cited entry. Then, I'd like you to respond to at least two of your classmates' posts regarding this particular posting. Build on something they've said, explain why you see things differently, ask a probing or clarifying question, offer support or opinion, validate their ideas, or expand on your classmates' post. Maybe you have something additional to add. For the next post for this week, for Module 3, Week 3 Reading and Writing Reflection, as always, you will be reflecting on what you've read about throughout the week. So I would like you to summarize the skills and strategies you've gained from the readings, the Lumen resources, the videos, and so forth. Talk about what you used to know and what you know now, what you used to think and what you think now. How do you see things differently? How do you think about the topic? What do you wonder about? Make sure that your responses are organized into paragraphs by topic. Include at least 2 examples from the readings. Use quotation marks to show the author's words for a direct quotation. And as always, please respond to your at least 2 peers in your responses to their posts as well. Build on something they've said, ask a probing question, offer support, or validate their idea. I hope this was helpful.